Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your one-stop channel for personal growth and lifestyle development. At HouseLux Estate, we strive to empower you with practical guidance and insights to enhance your everyday living. Today, we delve into a topic that is pivotal to personal productivity and success: developing an effective morning routine. A productive morning routine can serve as the launchpad for a successful day. It's like setting the tone for a symphony, where each note that follows is influenced by the initial tone. This routine can influence not only your mood, but your efficiency, effectiveness, and overall productivity throughout the day. Having a structured start to your day can keep you grounded, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. It's about harnessing the power of your mornings to maximize your potential and reach peak productivity. In this video, you will discover how to develop an effective morning routine for peak productivity. A morning routine sets the tone for the rest of the day. This is a truth universally acknowledged, but why is it so? Let's delve into the essence of this statement. A well-structured morning routine is like a magic potion for your day. It's the secret recipe that can dramatically enhance your focus, giving you a laser-like precision to tackle your tasks. When you start your day with intention, your mind is primed to take on challenges with a clarity that can often elude those who dive straight into their to-do lists. Moreover, a morning routine is a productivity powerhouse. It's a tool that can help you harness your energy and channel it towards the tasks that matter most. By dedicating the first few hours of your day to a routine, you're setting yourself up for a day of achievement. You're laying a strong foundation from which you can build a tower of productivity. Another significant advantage of a morning routine is its potential for better time management. By having a set routine, you're essentially scheduling your morning. This means you're less likely to get sidetracked by distractions or fall into the trap of procrastination. You know what you need to do and when you need to do it. It's a guiding light that leads you through your morning and into the rest of your day. But don't just take our word for it. Many successful people are known for their morning routines. Oprah Winfrey starts her day with meditation, while Apple CEO Tim Cook wakes up at 3:45 in the morning to start his day. Former President Obama used to start his day with a workout. These are just a few examples of how successful people use morning routines to set the stage for their day. Understanding the benefits of a morning routine is the first step to developing your own. It's about creating a personalized roadmap to your day, one that aligns with your goals and sets you up for success. So why not give it a try? After all, the first few hours of the day have the power to shape the rest of it. A productive morning routine has a few essential elements. Imagine a symphony orchestra where each instrument plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious melody. Similarly, your morning routine is a symphony of habits, each contributing to a productive day. Let's delve into the key elements that can help you orchestrate a morning routine that hits all the right notes. Firstly, waking up early can provide a head start to your day. It's like being gifted a few extra hours where you can focus on yourself before the world wakes up and demands your attention. It's not about waking up at the crack of dawn necessarily, but rather finding a time that suits your body clock and allows you to start your day calmly. Next, we have exercise. It's like tuning your instrument before a performance. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters, and kickstarts your metabolism, effectively preparing your body and mind for the day ahead. A simple walk, a quick jog, or some yoga stretches. Choose what resonates with you. Then, there's the power of a healthy breakfast. Just as an orchestra needs a skilled conductor, your body needs fuel to function effectively. A nutritious breakfast replenishes your energy stores and keeps your concentration levels steady, enabling you to perform at your best all morning. Lastly, planning your day is like arranging the sheet music for your symphony. It gives you a clear roadmap of what lies ahead, allowing you to prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively. Whether it's a to-do list or a detailed schedule, having a plan can help you navigate your day with purpose and focus. Each of these elements is a soloist in the orchestra of your morning routine, but when they all play together, they create a symphony of productivity that sets the tone for your entire day. Incorporating these elements into your routine can greatly enhance your productivity. And remember, it's not about perfection, but consistency. Start small, be patient, and gradually you'll tune your morning routine into a symphony of success. Now, how do you develop your own effective morning routine, you might wonder? Well, here's a step-by-step guide to help you craft a morning routine that sets the stage for a productive day. Firstly, identify your needs and goals. What do you want to achieve with your morning routine? It could be anything from increasing your productivity to improving your physical health, or simply starting your day on a positive note. This will act as the foundation of your routine. Next, brainstorm activities that align with these goals. If you're aiming for increased productivity, maybe you'd want to include planning your day. If it's about health, perhaps a morning run or yoga session would be a good fit. Just remember, these activities should be ones that you enjoy and look forward to. Once you have a list of potential activities, it's time to arrange them in a sequence that works best for you. Some people find it helpful to start with the most challenging task first, while others prefer a gradual buildup. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Experiment and find what works best for you. Now that you have your routine mapped out, it's time to gradually incorporate it into your daily life. Start small, maybe with just 1 or 2 activities. Once you're comfortable with that, add more. It's better to build up slowly than to overwhelm yourself right off the bat. It's important to note that your routine should not be set in stone. It should be flexible and adaptable. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes you might need to adjust your routine to accommodate changes. Don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a day or two. The key is to get back on track as soon as you can. And lastly, remember to track your progress. This can be as simple as ticking off tasks on a checklist or keeping a journal. It will not only keep you motivated, but also help you identify any areas for improvement. Remember, the key to a successful morning routine is consistency and adaptability. With patience and persistence, you'll soon have a morning routine that sets you up for a day of peak productivity. Enjoy the process and embrace the journey. Here are some tips and tricks to help you stick to your morning routine. Firstly, preparation is key. Spend a few minutes each night preparing for the next morning. Lay out your clothes, prepare your breakfast, pack your bag, and set your agenda for the next day. This will not only save you time in the morning, but also reduce stress and decision fatigue. Remember, a calm and organized start to your day can set the tone for the hours to follow. Secondly, set realistic goals. It's easy to get carried away with ambitious plans for your morning routine, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start small, with maybe 1 or 2 new habits, and gradually build up from there. It's better to consistently achieve a few small goals than to sporadically reach for lofty ones. Thirdly, practice mindfulness. This can be as simple as savoring your morning coffee, taking a few minutes to meditate, or writing in a gratitude journal. Mindfulness can help you feel grounded, focused, and ready to tackle the day. Fourthly, make your routine enjoyable. Add something you love to your morning routine, whether it's listening to your favorite podcast, practicing yoga, or reading a chapter of a book. If you look forward to your morning routine, you're more likely to stick to it. Lastly, reward yourself for sticking to your routine. This doesn't have to be anything grand. It could be as simple as a delicious breakfast, a few minutes of leisure time, or even just the satisfaction of ticking off your morning tasks. Rewards can motivate you to maintain your routine, even on days when you'd rather hit the snooze button. Remember, the goal of a morning routine isn't to add more tasks to your to-do list. Rather, it's about creating a positive start to your day, setting you up for success. These tips and tricks can help make your morning routine a habit rather than a chore. Developing an effective morning routine is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding what works best for you and making those habits stick. We've explored the importance of a morning routine, highlighting how it sets the tone for your day, boosts productivity, and fosters a sense of control. We've also discussed the essential elements of a productive morning routine, from physical activity to mindful practices, and how to tailor them to your lifestyle. Remember, the key to developing your morning routine is consistency and patience. Start small, gradually incorporate new habits, and before you know it, your mornings will transform into a powerhouse of productivity. We've also shared some tips and tricks to help you along the way, from preparing the night before to embracing flexibility. Thank you for joining House Lux Estate today. Don't forget to subscribe for more personal growth and lifestyle development tips. Here's to a more productive you.